Is Amber Heard going to jail? Since the trial got started, there have been many questions related to Amber Heard, whether she could go to jail for Johnny Depp's judgment in their defamation case and the odds that she could be charged with perjury as the trial is finally over. Watch our full video to know everything about the whole ongoing trauma that has resulted from the Depp and Heard trial. Depp and Heard were married from 2015 to 2016. Amber filed for divorce in May 2016 after 15 months of their wedding. In her divorce filing, she also received a temporary regulating order against Depp, claiming that he has abused her under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Depp denied the accusations, and a $7 million settlement was held out of court in August 2016. Heard also promised to donate the money to the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. In a joint statement, the couple said that their relationship was intensely passionate and at sometimes volatile too, but they were always bound by love. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of physical or emotional harm. But in 2018, Heard wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post about her experience with domestic abuse. While she didn't cite Depp by his name, many people believed that the post was about her ex-husband. Depp sued Heard for $15 million for defamations in 2019, claiming that the op-ed has cost him acting jobs, including his roles in Walt Disney Pictures' Pirates of the Caribbean franchise and Warner Bros. Pictures' Fantastic Beasts series. After losing the trial recently, Heard has countersued Depp for $100 million. The trial was started in April 2022 and ended in June 2022, where a 7-person jury consisting of 5 men and 2 women found Heard responsible for all 3 counts of defamation in her lawsuit with Depp. The jury ordered Heard to pay Depp $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages for a total of $15 million. Depp was found guilty for 1 count of defamations against Heard by the jury and was ruled to pay her $2 million in compensatory damages and $0 in punitive damages for a total of $2 million. Due to the cap on punitive damages under Virginia state law, Judge Penny Ascarat deducted Heard's punitive damage from $5 million to $350,000. If Heard and Depp's damages are cleared against each other, Heard will have to pay Depp a total of $8.35 million in damages, accounting for the $2 million in compensatory damages that he owes her. So, could Amber Heard go to jail after Johnny Depp's verdict? Let's find out. The answer to the questions is a clear no. Heard is not going to jail after she was found responsible for defaming Depp. Depp's libel lawsuits against Heard is a civil case and not a criminal case. This means that she won't go to jail for her contrary judgment. Popular lawyer George Freeman of the Media Law Resource Center told Fox News in May 2022 that you don't go to jail as a result of a civil finding. However, Heard could go to jail if she's accused and convicted of perjury, the crime of purposely lying in court under oath. He said that the only way what happened so far in Virginia could lead to jail is if she's accused and convicted of perjury, but there has been no official accusations, and this is why it looks quite remote. Freeman, who works in case around the First Amendment, told Fox News that he's never seen a person accused with perjury in a civil case in his 4 decades in law. Civil and criminal lawyer Tim Parlatore also told Fox News that he doubts that Heard will be charged with perjury. He told the publications that in order for her to be charged with perjury, the case would have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Heard intentionally said something that wasn't true and knew that it wasn't true, which is quite tough to prove. Civil attorney Broderick Dunn, who practices law in Virginia, where Heard and Depp's trial was held, also told Fox News about why perjury charges often aren't followed in abuse cases. He said there are a lot of perjury cases that could be brought that aren't to avoid a chilling effect on people with domestic violence claims, explaining that perjury charges could hinder victims from coming forward with their statements in fear. Their claims could also result in prison sentences. Parlatore also told the publications that Heard and Depp's backgrounds as actors could also prohibit law enforcement from following perjury charges against Heard. He said, all of the normal ability to judge a witness's behavior and truthfulness goes out the window when you have professional actors on the stand. However, in case Heard is sentenced of perjury, the conviction has a maximum 10 years prison sentence under Virginia state law. Legal expert Mark Stevens told the Daily Mail about how hard it is to sue a perjury case. He explained that it is pretty difficult to bring and prosecute a perjury case. You have to show that someone has deliberately told a lie to them for being confused and misremembering. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, it's time to end our video. If you like watching our content, please consider subscribing to our channel by clicking the subscribe button down below.